श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने। नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मताम्। भगवते हनुमते नमः। We are on page number 108. We already witnessed the wonderful Bharat of Lord Shiva, the wonderful marriage procession of Lord Shiva, which is incomparable, absolutely no parallel in the world anywhere, with Bhuta, Preta, Pishachi, all the different types of living beings, with the most weird faces and weird looks. And naturally, Shiva is a resident. He stays only in the graveyard. Shmashaneshva Krida, Shmashaneshva Krida, Smarahara Pishacha Sahachara, Shita Bhasma Lepaha, Garalamashanam, all different, all the entire qualities, characteristics of Shiva are all absolutely not at all appealing to the social norms. Totally different. But wonderful qualities, all powers he has got. That is why he can be like that. Somebody was arguing. Two people were arguing with one another, debating or arguing. So one was an alcoholic. One was an alcoholic and not alcohol in the normal sense. He was taking this dhatura. Dhatura is one particular intoxicating vegetation. When you take that vegetation, you just like bhang, bhang, you heard of bhang. So dhatura is also another type one. So that person had taken dhatura. He was feeling intoxicated. The other friend said, should not take this, Arey, hamare Shivji ne bhi piya hai. Our Shivji also used to take this, and why should I not take? Our Paramatma Shiva has taken, why should I not take? Okay, very good. If you are so much capable, then you should also take Visham also. No? You should take also poison. Because Paramatma Shiva has drunk poison also. Not only that, he lives in the graveyard. You should live in the graveyard. So whatever Shiva does, you should do. Don't take only aspects and try to imitate God. So if you really want to imitate God, imitate fully, completely, and see what happens then. So that is the wrong attitude of people. People want to imitate Krishna in certain aspects, but not in all aspects. That is also wrong. So no, don't try to imitate God, because it is not possible at all. Human being cannot imitate God at all. God is He transcends all limits. The one who transcends all limits, one cannot give a norm to that person. He is beyond norms. But human being is not like that. Human has got so much dependence upon one another. Therefore, we have to be within norms only. And what are those norms? The norms which are acceptable to everybody in the subtlest manner. Not just for one society. Or dharma is something which is applicable universal. So one should not try to compare oneself with Shiva. Jasadula hutasi bani barata. हो गया ना देर नाच ही गाव ही हो जैसी नाच ही गाव ही गीत परम नाच ही गाव ही गीत नाच ही गाव ही गीत परम तरंगी भूत सब देखत अति विपरीत बोल ही बचन विचित्र विधि. Now it note not only that they are looking weird, their dances are also very special dances. Nachahi, Gavahi, Geet, Gavahi, Geet, Paramatarangi. Paramatarangi means different types of melodies. It's not Kedar Raga or Shankarabharanam Raga. It's all different types of ragas of their own. We do not know what all ragas they are singing. Bhuta Sabha. Dekhata ati viparit, looking absolutely different. What do you call, not looking straight, they are looking somewhere. They are looking also weird. Bolahi bachana vichitra vidhi. They are also speaking different languages and different words also they are speaking. Jasadula hutasi bani varata. Kautuk bibidha hohi magajata. Iha Himachal racheu bitana. Ati vichitra nahi jai bakhana. There is one saying in Sanskrit, Yakshanurupo Balihi. Yakshanurupo Balihi. If you see in the Chandi Homa, when we did Chandi Homa, in that left hand side at the Ishanya corner, you would have seen they had kept that pieces of pumpkin. Every day you would have seen pieces of pumpkin colored red with kumku. So this is called as Bali. The Bali is given for after giving the ahutis, after offering everything to the fire, which goes to the Devatas. Which all goes and reaches the Devatas and the main deity, which is Chandi Devi. Then we have to appease or satisfy all other creatures. They are called as Yaksha, Rakshasaha or Kshetrapalas. So when we give them Bali, and they are all non-vegetarians because they can eat anything. So that's why we make the pumpkin red color. In order to show the pumpkins are made red color by applying kumkum, in order to show that is the food meant for them. So Yakshanurupo Balihi means Yaksha is one of the beings who is going to receive the Bali. If the Yaksha is big, you have to give a big Bali. The Yaksha is small, you have to give a small Bali. So according to the bridegroom, the entire procession is also dressed like that only. Jasdulahu tasi bani barata. Jasdulahu tasi bani barata. Dulha is absolutely weird. So the Bharat also was like that only. Kautak bibidha hohi magajata. So whenever when youngsters go to excursions, they what is the state of affairs, what will happen to the buses, what will happen to these places where they go and dance, and what all dances they are going to do. There is no end to that, So here everybody is dancing in joy. All dances are going on. Iha Himachal racheu bitana. And what is happening to Himachal? Himachal is preparing the mantap for the wedding. Himachal, that is Bhagwan Himalaya, is preparing the mantapa. Ati vichitra nahi jai bakhana. Nobody can describe that mantapa. It is so beautifully, so exquisite. Anybody has ever seen such a mantapa. Sail sakal jahalagi jagmahi. Laghu bisal nahi barani sirahi. बन सागर सब नदी तलावा हिमगिरि सब कहने बत पठावा हिमगिरि सब कहने बत पठावा. No, naturally Himalaya Parvat has got so many relatives, all are Parvatas only. They are all different peaks. So different peaks, different Manasarovar, whatever, all different lakes. They are all, I told you, every single part of creation is now live. That's the beauty. Everything is live now. They can take any form they want. So Himalaya is sending invitations to every single manifestation. That's what it means here. Every single, whatever manifestation of the world, everybody is being invited. काम रूप सुंदर तनधारी सहित समाज सहित बर नारी गए सकल तुहिना चल गेहा गावहि मंगल सहित स्नेहा. There is one place in Assam called as Kamrup. In Assam there is a place called as Kamrup. This Kamrup, the word meaning of the word Kamrup means one can take whatever form one likes. Kamarupadhari, he is a Kamarupadhari means he can just take any form he likes. In Uttar Pradesh, you have Bahurupya. These Bahurupyas are these people, who come like, house to house they go. One day they'll come in one form, next day they'll come in another different types of clothing with mustache and beard. Next day they'll be having some jatan. They call it Bahurupyas. Bahurupya. They take different forms. So Bahurupya and then Kamarup. Kamarup means taking different forms. They come, so the mountains could take whatever forms they wish. They took the forms of their own families. So Sahita Samaj, Sahita Baranari, Guna Gaye Sakala Tuhinachala. Tuhinachala is Himachala. Tuhinachala means, Tuhina means Hima. Tuhina means ice or snow. So Tuhinachala is Himalaya. So they went to their house. Gamahi Mangal Sahita Saneha, very lovingly, very affectionately, they are all singing wonderful, auspicious, melodies they are all singing. Prathama hi giri bahu griha savaraye, jatha jogu tah tah sab chhaye, pur sobha avaloki suhayi, lagai laghu biranchi nipunayi. So much was the decoration what Himalaya Parvat is doing for all the places and residences of everybody. Somebody is going to, in here also on earth, if there is going to be a marriage, how many people will be taking, will be sending invitation, then checking who is going to reside where, according to their status, according to their requirements, according to their needs, according to their health, we will be making all arrangements. So Himan is making all arrangements. It's so beautifully decorated, it looks like Brahma's creation is become very, it's eclipsed by this beautiful decoration. It doesn't seem to be so great. Brahma's creation is eclipsed by the decoration done by Himalaya Parvata. Laghulad vidhi ki nipunata avaloki purso bhasahi. सरिता सुभग सब सक को कही, मंगल विपुल तोरण पताका केतु गृह गृह सोहही, पुरुष सुंदर चतुर छवि देखी मुनि मन मोहही, everything is exquisitely, most beautifully decorated, and everyone is also decorated, everything is decorated. नगर की शोभा देखकर ब्रह्मा की निपुणता सचमुच तुच्छ लगती है. Totally eclipsed. The Brahma's creation is totally eclipsed. The beauty of the Brahma's creation is eclipsed by the beauty of decoration here. Vana, Bagh, Kuएं, Talab, Nadiyan, sabhi sundar. The forest is looking beautiful. The gardens are looking beautiful. The wells are looking beautiful. Talab, lakes are looking beautiful. Even rivers are looking very, very nice. Who can one describe them? Everywhere Mangal Suchak Toran, all everywhere mango leaves have been tied. Beautiful festoons, all flags and everything has been tied. And even the munis who are watching those beautiful, damsels going and doing, they are also enchanted by their movements and all the things which are there. Jagadamba jaha avatari, Sopur barani ki jaye, Riddhi siddhi sampatti sukha, नूतन अधिकाई. Very beautifully तुलसीदास writes, जिस नगर में स्वयं जगदम्बा ने अवतार लिया, how will that city be where साक्षात परमेश्वरी has taken birth, Parvati ji has taken birth there? Naturally, everywhere Riddhi and Siddhi. Riddhi and Siddhi. Riddhi is prosperity, Siddhi is success. Everything will be there in the place where Jagadamba has taken avatar. Sampatti और सुख नित नए बढ़ते जाते हैं. It will keep on increasing there. नगर निकट बरात सुनी आई, पुरखर भर शोभा अधिकाई. करि बनाव सजी बाहन नाना, चले लेन सादर अगवाना. What a wonderful scene has now come. The Bharat has reached the Nagar. The entire procession of Shiva and his wonderful associates, they all come and reach the door of the city now. बारात को नगर के निकट आई सुनकर नगर में चहल पहल मच गई. All naturally the marriage procession, we come to know that the bridegroom's house has already come. Somebody is running this side, somebody is running, hey, kalash le aao, pani le aao, what all, everybody is shouting this side. So everybody is now totally agitated. जिससे उसकी शोभा और बढ़ गई. The beauty is increased more by that. अगवानी करने वाले लोग, the reception committee, अगवानी करने वाले is the reception committee, the welcome committee, no? So अगवानी करने वाले लोग बनाव श्रृंगार करके तथा नाना प्रकार की सवारियों को सजाकर आदर सहित बारात को लेने चले. They all went to now receive the बारात. श्रीमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण. श्रीमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण. सच्चिदानंद भगवान की. नमः पार्वती पतये.